In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to require customer accounts for checkout in Shopify. Let's get started on this simple procedure, which can significantly impact your customers' shopping experience and streamline your back-end operations. The first thing you need to do is to open up your Shopify admin panel. This is where all the magic happens, where you can customize every aspect of your online store and configure your settings to suit your business needs. Once you have the Shopify admin panel opened and ready, let's move on to the next step. Here, you are required to locate and click on the Settings tab, very conveniently placed near the bottom left corner of your dashboard. This is like the control room for your Shopify store, where you can adjust everything related to your checkout process, shipping, billing, and much more. After clicking on the Settings tab, please select the Checkout option, which you will find next in your dashboard. This will direct you to the Checkout Settings page, where you can decide and make changes to how the checkout process functions in your store. As you reach the Checkout Settings screen, please find the first option visible, appropriately named the Customer Contact Methods section. This section contains settings that are vital in determining how customers communicate with your Shopify store. Now, you need to make a slight yet significantly impactful change. There will be a checkbox available on this page, which, when checked, will enforce that all your customers need to log into their accounts before they can check out their products. So, go ahead and check this box to make logging in compulsory for all your customers. Remember, this change alone may not give you the desired results. You also need to ensure your customer account settings are set to provide a seamless login experience. These settings will dictate the format in which customers can create or access their accounts in your store. They also impact the post-login Indian session, password delivery method, and other user experience-related aspects. And that's it. You've successfully configured the Shopify settings to require customer accounts for checkout. It was quick and easy, wasn't it? Now go ahead and check your settings to ensure everything is as per your preferences. Validate your configurations by performing some test checkouts to see how the changes reflect on the storefront. In the end, you'll have a more organized and efficient checkout process that delivers a superior shopping experience to your loyal customers. After all, a smooth user experience is key to customer retention and boosting sales over time. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial, and happy selling with Shopify.